G'day folks, today we're going to make a quick and easy pot hanger. All we're going to need is 2 sticks and a little bit of cordage. Here's how we make it. So with our first stick, all we want to do is just sharpen the point. At the other end I've cut it square and just chamfered the edge. Find ourselves a rock and drive that into the ground. Now with our piece of cordage, we want to just make some sort of knot to form a loop. So I'm just going to pinch this knot on the top of the stick and just start to wrap this rope underneath that loop. Once I've got a little bit of a tail left, I'm now going to poke that bite of rope through that top loop, and that gives us the Klemheist. If you want to adjust this up a little bit further, we just spin that around. Ideally this loop will come above your bottom wrap of rope. To attach our second stick, all we're going to do is fold that over to form 2 bunny ears and then join them together and slide our second stick through. Just like that. I'm going to put a rock on this end of the stick. That's just going to stop it from coming up. And then by pushing down on the top of that wrap of rope, we can adjust it up and down to the desired height. To watch a video on how I tie a loop in my rope using the Fisherman's bend, check out this video. Thanks for watching.